Okay, so getting straight into the video, I'm going to be telling you guys about this wig that I have on my head right now. This hair is from Isee Hair. Now, this is what their packaging looks like. The box is really cute. This is the back of it as well. I'm going to show you guys what comes inside in just a second. But if you guys watch my other review on Isee Hair, I purchased that hair from Amazon. This hair is from their official site, and then I also did order some hair from their AliExpress store. I'm kind of doing like a little experiment to see if the hair quality is the same, even though they sell it on different platforms. I want to know like which hair is better. Of course, it's always best to get it from the official website, but my thing is, if you're a company who is selling on like different sites and whatnot, why not offer the same hair all across the board? So I have ran into that issue before, so I'm kind of testing it out with them. So you guys will see another video featuring this hair company, because I'm just trying to get to the bottom of it to see like which hair is better, the AliExpress hair, the official store hair, the Amazon hair. So like I mentioned, this hair in particular, this wig is from the official Isee Hair direct website. So not only is the hair big and voluminous, but it is definitely affordable. You guys, this wig is a Brazilian body wave wig, but I'm going to show you guys what's inside the package, and then I'll go ahead and get back to you guys with the specific specs on this hair. So when you open it up, has their beautiful branding and stuff on the inside there. Really cute. It's like rose gold and like marble and whatnot. So they have a little packet in here that has like their social media information, how to take care of the hair. What else is inside here? How to brush the hair, how to wash it. They do recommend that you air dry it, using mousse on it in particular for their curly hair, how to care for it on the daily. So I guess that's nice. It did come with this little pearl beaded little clip like this, if you guys can see. It's one of those clips that you just snap into your hair. They also did provide an elastic band, and this is a pretty long one, so you can definitely get a lot of uses out of this. Like, do you guys see how long this is? You could probably use this for like 4 or 5 wigs. So plenty of elastic band in there for you. They did provide this little brush thingy. It has the comb on one end, the brush on one side, of course, for you to do your edges. And then I'm not sure what the end of this is for. And then they also provided these really cute lashes. It's their packaging. It says Isee Princess on it, 3D mink lashes, and it has their website on there. So this is what the lashes look like, you guys. And these are really cute. I've actually worn these like twice already. So I'll take them out and show you guys exactly what they look like. These lashes are definitely my style. I like long and wispy lashes, and this is the first time that a hair company has sent lashes that I would actually wear instead of like just throw in the garbage. So I really like these. I wish they would have put like the style name or number on them, because if I could find these on AliExpress, I would definitely order a few more pairs of these. But like I said, I've worn these twice and they're absolutely beautiful. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as packaging wise. Now I'm going to tell you guys some specs about this hair. So this is their 13x6 lace front wig. This is a body wave wig. It is 180% density, and then I did get my cap size in a size small. Then lengthwise, this hair is curled, so you can't really tell, but when I stretch it out, it is definitely true to length, you guys. This is a 26-inch body wave wig. Now, in this particular 13x6 lace front wig that they offer, the highest inch that it goes up to is 26 inches. So like I mentioned, it does have 6 inches of parting space, so you have plenty of room to part back as far as it will allow you to. You don't have to do it in the middle part. Of course, you could do a side part, you know, whatever it is that you choose to do. You have a lot of parting space to work with. Okay, so another good feature about this wig is that it did come pre-plucked. They did a really good job at pre-plucking this wig, so I literally did not go in and pluck anything. Usually when a wig comes pre-plucked, you know, you could wear it as is, or you could go in and choose to tweak it to your liking. I didn't see anything wrong with the hairline, so I did leave it alone. You guys, I did mess up like the way that I cut my baby hairs and my lace. This wig has been on for almost a week, so it's time for me to take it off and reapply it. So that's why the lace is looking a little wonky and whatnot, but the main focus is going to be on the hair itself. So I'll go in and fix that later. As you can see, this side is like non-existent when it comes to like being secured down, but that's all right, because today is the day that is about to come off. The hairline was really good. I was really impressed with that. As far as this hair being true to length, it is definitely true to length. Of course, I do have the hair curled right now, so you know, when it curls, then you know, the hair you know, seems a little bit shorter than what it is, but this is definitely true to length, 26 inches, you guys. Like I mentioned, I did get 180% density. I feel like this is the first time that I've gotten 180% density wig, and it's been like true to its density. This is body wave hair, of course. You guys already know this hair holds a curl. I curled this hair probably 3 days ago. I haven't brushed it out or did anything to it. I've been letting them drop on their own. They were a little bit tighter, so they were like kind of up here at first, but yeah, I haven't done anything to it. So as you guys can see, the curls are very much there, nice and bouncy and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much like the specs of the hair and like the specific details about it. Now I'm going to get into like some of the cons about this wig. So this is body wave hair, and you guys know I love body wave hair. It is my favorite texture. But this body wave hair, I'm going to give it its credit for being able to hold the curl, and it curls really, really nicely. It's full of body and it's nice and voluminous, but it doesn't straighten very well. It looks better curled to me, honestly. Like when I first straightened it and I looked at it, I was like, okay, this is definitely going to be one of those wigs that if I'm going to wear it, I have to curl it, put some type of waves in it or something of that nature. So it doesn't straighten all that great, but if that doesn't bother you, then that's not a problem. Haven't had any tangles with this hair at all, even with it being so curly. Now, as far as shedding, I will say I do get a little bit of shedding with the hair. Like I'll show you guys, for example. See, nothing's coming out right now. It sheds, but it doesn't shed like terribly crazy. It's not like too much shedding to the point to where you wouldn't want, or I wouldn't want to wear this wig at all. So all hair sheds, of course. I'm not going to sit up here and say this hair does not shed at all, because that's called being a liar. I cannot stand when I hear someone say like, oh, this hair does not shed at all. Like, all hair sheds are real hair sheds, so please do expect weave hair to shed. But the key is for the shedding to be minimal, and I feel like it definitely is with this wig. Now, my only little issue that I have is that this wig needs some product, so the hair does get slightly frizzy. So to, you know, kind of counteract that, all I do is go in with a little bit of mousse, and that seems to take care of the problem. So that's why I would recommend not to wear this hair straight, because if it gets slightly frizzy when it's curled, just imagine how it will look if it's straight. So that's my only issue that I have with this wig. I do like the amount of fullness with the hair, you guys. I love it. Haven't had any issues with this hair so far. The ends of the hair were nice as well. I know you guys can't tell because my curls were like all fluffed out at this point, but the ends of the hair were good. I didn't have to clip anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it that I have to say about this wig. If you guys ordered the hair that I did the video on from them from Amazon, you guys can definitely let me know. If you guys ordered from their official site, let me know. But don't let me know if you've ordered from AliExpress yet. I want you guys to comment under that video, because like I said, I do have a wig on the way from AliExpress, because I'm trying to test this little theory to see like which hair is better to buy. Of course, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, you guys are more than welcome to leave them down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.